With the incredible advancements in space exploration, new telescope technology, and mind-blowing space discoveries, the possibility of extraterrestrial life seems more likely than ever. But how do we define life? Where could it exist? And what are the chances that intelligent civilizations are out there waiting to be found? Today we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. Are we alone? Buckle up, because we're going on an interstellar journey to find out. We're living in a golden age of space exploration. Scientists are gathering more data than ever before, uncovering thousands of new exoplanets, studying black holes, and even bringing asteroid samples back to Earth. Just think about it. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission traveled 207 million miles to an asteroid, grabbed a sample, and made it back. That's mind-blowing. And it's not just NASA. Countries all over the world are pushing the boundaries. We've got robots exploring Mars, plans to return humans to the moon, and even private companies aiming for Mars colonization. But one fundamental question drives so much of this exploration. Are we alone in the universe? Before we start searching, we need to define what we're looking for. You'd think defining life would be easy, right? But it turns out it's pretty complicated. At its most basic, life is something that grows, reproduces, and responds to its environment. But that's still kind of vague. A more scientific definition describes life as a self-sustaining chemical system that processes information and maintains order. Here on Earth, life is based on DNA, RNA, and proteins. DNA stores genetic instructions, RNA helps translate them, and proteins carry out the work. This system is carbon-based, meaning all known life depends on carbon atoms as the backbone of molecules. But does life have to be carbon-based? If aliens do exist, they might not look anything like us. Some scientists believe that life could be based on silicon instead of carbon. Why silicon? Well, it has similar chemical properties to carbon, meaning it can form complex molecules. We already see silicon playing a role in life on Earth. Certain types of algae, called diatoms, use silicon to build their glass-like cell walls. While this doesn't mean they are silicon-based life forms, it shows that silicon can be part of a living system. If silicon-based life exists elsewhere, it might have completely different biology, metabolism, and even appearance. Imagine creatures with rock-like structures instead of flesh, or beings that thrive in environments we'd consider extreme. The possibilities are endless. One of the biggest mysteries in science is how life actually started on Earth. There are two leading theories. Panspermia, life's building blocks like amino acids and organic molecules may have arrived on Earth via meteorites. Some meteorites contain amino acids, which are essential for life, suggesting that life may have an extraterrestrial origin. The next one is abiogenesis. Life formed naturally on Earth through chemical reactions in early environments, like deep-sea hydrothermal vents or warm ponds. Scientists still don't have a clear answer, but the fact that we find organic molecules on meteorites hints that life's ingredients are widespread in the universe. Could this mean that life exists elsewhere? In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created an equation to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in the Milky Way. It considers factors like how many stars form each year, the fraction of those stars with planets, how many planets could support life, the chance that life evolves into intelligent beings, the probability of those beings developing technology, and how long those civilizations last. Some estimates suggest that there could be 12,500 intelligent civilizations in our galaxy alone. And when we consider the entire universe, the probability of us being alone drops to almost zero. In 1995, scientists confirmed the first exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star. Since then, we've discovered over 5,000 exoplanets, and that number keeps growing. Some of the most exciting discoveries include Proxima Centauri b, an Earth-sized planet just 4.2 light-years away. The TRAPPIST-1 system is a system with 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which could be habitable, and Kepler 452b is a super-Earth in the habitable zone of its star. But just because a planet is in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist, doesn't guarantee it's actually habitable. The atmosphere, radiation levels, and many other factors play a role. Many exoplanets we found orbit red dwarf stars, which are smaller and colder than our sun. Red dwarfs are the most common stars in the galaxy, so if life can exist around them, it really increases our chances of finding extraterrestrial life dramatically. But there's a catch. Red dwarfs are extremely volatile. They produce massive solar flares and radiation bursts that could strip away a planet's atmosphere or make it uninhabitable. Some scientists believe that life could still survive in the right conditions, but we'll need more research to know for sure. We've been listening for alien signals for decades. Projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, scan the sky for radio waves or laser signals that might come from intelligent civilizations. We've even sent messages into space. In 1974, the Arecibo telescope beamed a message containing binary code, numbers, and simple images to a distant star cluster. The Voyager spacecraft also carries the golden record, filled with sounds and images from Earth, in case an alien civilization ever finds it. So far, no confirmed alien signals have been found, but that doesn't mean they're not out there. The universe is mind-boggling vast, with trillions of planets and countless possibilities for life. While we haven't found definitive proof of aliens yet, the science strongly suggests that life beyond Earth is likely. With new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and future missions exploring the outer solar system and beyond, we're closer than ever to answering the age-old question, are we alone? So what do you think? Are intelligent civilizations out there? Could aliens be watching us right now? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more space content. We'll see you on the next one.